As you can see, this is a video of one of my battle spot battles with the special battle system, the rules for that, so that way I can use two previously banned legendaries, which is my Groudon and my Xerneas. My opponent had Kyogre. So, obviously there are some issues, because I have a Dragon type, which these two can get rid of easily. Groudon and Metagross can be taken out by this, but I have an advantage with Xerneas over the Umbreon and Salamence because of Fairy type. And I also have an advantage over the Sylveon right here because of Metagross being Steel, because Fairy's weak to Steel. Now, this battle actually, this person forfeited because they had one Pokemon left and I would have been able to easily destroy it. So this is just to show better how I can use this in good combos and such. So I'll go ahead and play the video. In this game, the legendaries, Kyogre and Groudon, have primal reversions. My camera doesn't want to focus. Anyway, the normal abilities go off first, then Kyogre will go Primal Revert, and its ability will go off, which is Primordial Sea, which any fire type moves won't be able to work. But my Groudon also has its orb, so it'll Primal Revert, and its Desolate Land makes any water type moves not work. So now Desolate Land goes off, therefore making Sunlight harsh. They withdraw Kyogre for good reason. Then send in Umbreon, I believe. Yeah, the Umbreon. Salamence will make good rolls. The biggest problem is getting that guy out. And you'll see how I take care of him already in a little bit. And that's gonna take care of him. Fairy type is really effective in this dragon. And then use Groudon's special move. And Umbreon has leftovers, which makes it use rough to heal itself. Kyogre moves back out, so its effect comes over. So I always withdraw Groudon so it doesn't get killed. Because now, fire ground type, not good against water. Pizza has a grass type move. The reason why I sent it out, they'll both avoid Origin Pulse, which is good. And Dark is weak to Fairy, which is the reason why I did that. But as you can see, it didn't take it out all the way. They're gonna send in the Sylveon now, which is their Fairy type. And then this will roll Protect, so both my Pokemon will attack it, but it won't affect it. And it heals itself again. So I'll withdraw Hydra at this point, so I won't get killed by this thing. Now send in Metagross. And Metagross can also make a evolve, which is what I will do, so that way I'll be able to take this out with no problem. Missing that. So I didn't know they were going to switch out, so I used Moonblast, thinking I could KO it. Hyper Voice Wait. And Xerneas will faint. I don't think I made across, it's not very effective. So, with that, I'll bring Goodra to get rid of the KO growth with Power Whip. And also Mega Evolve Metagross. Shield, they tried to use it on that, but it doesn't work. So she uses Power Whip. Destroys it. Healing a lift. And then I use Metagross with Meteor Mash, which will take that out in one shot. Then there was the only Pokemon game, which is Umbreon, and forfeit the match, giving me the win. And that was it. They forfeited after that. So yeah, that's showing how I can use this in different ways. And with the double battles, with the special battle system, you only allowed 4 team members per side. So my Porygon Z and Mienshao are not in this for that reason. Because I knew these would have been able to take those 2 out rather easily. So, that's it.